Hello everyone, so welcome back to the new lab session. So in the last lab we have already seen that how to copy a cell value from one cell to another in a quick way. So what we did there, that is, we have to simply press Ctrl C, and if I want to paste it here, I had to press enter here. The moment I press enter, this value is pasted here. Okay, now let's see another feature. Now in this lab, suppose we want to know that how many characters this cell or this name is having. Okay, so to count the number of character in a cell, we have a function called LEN. So if I want to know, or if you want to know how many characters this cell is having or this name is having, you can simply write here equal to and press LEN. So this returns the number of character of the selected area, okay, or selected value. Like if I give you an example, if I write here LEN, and if I write here, let's say Ajit, let me write Ajit in a bracket. So you see it has 4 character. So if I press enter, it will display 4. So here we have written inside the LEN function, we have written a fixed name. But what I want here, suppose here if I want to know how many characters this cell is having or this name is having, so I can simply write equal to, then followed by a LEN function, start your bracket and select this cell and close it. Now press enter. So it will display here 7. Now again, if you want to know how many character this cell is having, you have to follow the same pattern, or you have to follow the same process, that is LEN, start your bracket, select the cell, close the cell and close the bracket and press enter. Now as you see, there are number of names are there, and you want to know what is or how many characters all these names are having. So every time you don't have to write the LEN function and do whatever we did. So for that, what you do, if you want to know how many character this cell is having, you know that whatever function I have used it here, the same function I have to use here. So what I do, I simply select this cell and copy it, that is Ctrl and C, and paste it here. And for pasting, we have already know that instead of writing Ctrl V, I can simply press enter. So the moment I press enter, you see this cell is also having 6 characters. Similarly, if you want to know how many characters this cell is having, so simply copy this cell and paste it here. So for pasting, you just press enter. You see. Now there is another quick way to get the number of characters of each cell, is to just simply select the cell and drag it down. See, the moment I drag it down, automatically the function or the formula will be pasted in each cell and the value will be calculated. You see how quickly you get it, isn't it? So again I repeat, let's say if I want to know how many character this cell is having, I can simply write equal to, followed by LEN function, start my bracket, select this cell, close it and press enter. I want to know what is the how many character this cell is having. I can simply drag this one